up and do that again. I recommend leaving it in the house. When you're not using it, get that on you. I'm gonna clean that off because that's my little one. But all right. Okay, let's get this. I need 15-inch. 15-inch legs. My garbage. Over here, start my boiler. Or my boiler, my wood stove in the winter. So it gets cleaned out. Enough. All right. Good enough. Okay. Next, let's get the. I gotta get this thing. Next thing cut here. Oh yeah. I need 2 pieces. 15s. Two pieces, 15 wide. 15 wide. Means I gotta cut it that way. Tarp's gone. So there you go. There's my roof. Not completely sealed yet, but it's about there. Let's get that one corner done. That'll be 15 wide. And I'm off. It looks pretty darn straight, right on up. But I'm like an inch off, the top to bottom. But you know, hey, first timer, can't complain. All right, let's see. Like I said, I need 15, and it's going underneath. So this is, as you're looking, you can see, you got a little lip here. On this one, you do not have a lip. This goes over the top of that. And if you want, when you're screwing it in, you just get just a lip, just a little bit of a knife bite on that. I kind of like. Let's see. Supposedly, you can go right down the inside with an X-Acto knife, and you can twist it, and it'll pop. So we're going to try that little theory. So I got to find an X-Acto knife. I work for a company that uses X-Acto knives all the time. Do you think I have one? Nope. Let's see. I'm going to go grab the one that I bought that my daughter seems to want to keep. So we're going to shut this down for a moment. Alright, quick update. Of course I can't buy an X-Acto knife, utility knife. I work for a company that's got, we use them every day. and I haven't walked home with one. guess I'd be called stealing if I did. But here we go. Here's my first piece. I just used the jigsaw to cut it. And where my point was, I'm probably going to have to do it again to get it absolutely customed on the roof. But I was able to. I didn't have to worry about line right now because all I do is cut it right on that thing. So I got to cut one more. This is going to be perfect because this is going to be overlap. This is the top overlap for something else on the roof that I'm going to need. There's actually everything I need to overlap is going the other direction. So that's going to be good. You can cut it right down. So you got your upper over. All you need is an overlap on top of this. See, that overlaps on this. That's an overlap. That's an overlap. Overlap or underlap, it doesn't really matter. It's just how it starts out. Okay, that's your. See if you. Well, these are basically all overlappable now. So and that's got to go under it. So the ones up there have got to overlap. So oh yeah. Oh, got it. I actually got to go up there because I got to get the screws. Because I left the screws lapped in there. So I do have to go up there again. So I can get the screws out from underneath it. Okay. Well, let's get, I got this one cut now. Let me pull that one first. I got to get another one. It's going to mate with this one, overlap it. And this one here. It wears down on the metal. Actually, that piece right there is going to be good on the area that I just left. So it'll work over there. Let me put this bag over here. Now, unfortunately, what's happened here is I've now exposed it. The metal has now been exposed where it's been painted over elsewhere. Ow, playing. Actually, take this thing up and quickly install it. And talk about it now. Go way up. Gotta get around all my strings and ropes and all that garb. Okay. Guess what? Screw rod. Not the screw rod. The garage. Okay. Here. Yeah. Bungee cord works really good. These guys look they really want to dump. Grabbing that level. Alright, let's go up. Not sure how far up I can go. Because my issue here is going to be the screws that I just put in. Right here, one right there. At the actual hook points here. And guess what? I actually got one up there I gotta get. Actually, walk up the side now. Good shape. I don't have my screw on. Okay. Actually, I'll leave that on for now. We're all going to overlap this anyway. Okay. That puppy there. All right. I think I'll eventually get that matted. I think I can go right back to the dealer there and get the matted paint and re-spray paint it. Okay. Holy cow! Who needed the 15-inch? Up there? I think I needed the 15-inch up there, huh? Yeah, buddy. I gotta run up there and freaking zip those off. I can go right up the side, then underlap that.